99 trillion Robux, or you can say this is priceless. That is insane. What? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Wait, when did I just got this map? Oh, no. Ah! Okay guys, let's start. And I don't need this map anyway. Now, where can I find wood? This is the worst. Oh. I'm just gonna swim, by the way. Wait, what is that? Let me check. Probably nothing. Let me check again, guys. Wait, is that Ocean Monument? Nope, I'm just gonna shot by those Elder Guardians. Bruh. Oh my gosh. Now what so? Oh my gosh.